So continuing our discussion, we talked about where. Now we are talking about how. How may again go for title, which is again tentative, go for the keywords, and again use your own mind to figure out, is it enough? Do you think that the titles or the keywords that you've chosen are enough? If they are not enough, then you have to rethink about it. Then you have to rethink about the keywords, right? Title should be reinforced by these keywords, and these keywords should help you in deciding or determining your limit. Ideally, I told you, तुम लोग multiple areas touch करोगे like this, and you will be at the end of the day working in the intersection of these areas. आप इसमें काम करोगे. इसमें भी मे बी आपका मन करा that I only want to work on this particular area. सिर्फ इसमें काम करना है. थोड़े टाइम बाद आपको लगा नहीं वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, मैं सिर्फ इसी में काम करता हूँ. Highly possible, right? Highly likely that these kinds of things will happen, and they will only happen if you have clarity with respect to the keywords that you're using. Now, how to use these keywords? For example, you want to write a review, so you will have to review. पहले review लिखना तो आपको review पता होना चाहिए किस किसने क्या क्या review किया है, तो you can use the keyword review. Then maybe again you can write whatever the area is. For example, blockchain. Then you can maybe write the comparison. For example, I want to know about the comparisons that have happened, or maybe I want to know about the tools. Such kind of keywords I can use, a combination of these keywords in order to find out my references or my pool of study. How में ये है कि आप अपने choice of database पे जाओगे और आप कीवर्ड सर्च करोगे विद डिफरेंट परमुटेशंस एंड कॉम्बिनेशंस, P and C, permutations and combinations, and just try to understand what our goal is. Our goal is to find out all that is applicable. Find out all that is applicable. Find out all that is applicable, or that is significant, or that is beneficial to your particular title. That is what you have to find. हमें resources निकालने हैं, हमें information निकालनी है, वो जैसे भी आती है, in whatever way it comes, it works. So you have to use different permutation and combinations to search using those keywords, and then download those references. Ideally, मैं अभी because you are very nascent in your stage, I would just say that you will take out the papers of last 5 years. अगर ये भी तुम्हें ज़्यादा लगता है तो तुम लास्ट 3 years के निकालो. फिल्टर, सेट द फिल्टर, यूल ऑलवेज फाइंड फिल्टर. स्कॉलर में भी ना एडवांस्ड फिल्टर्स होते हैं. I think Scholar we can open here. See, can you see here on the left hand side? On the left hand side, this. And if you click on this here, you can set this anytime or whatever. If you go to the advanced search option on here on the left hand side in Google Scholar, you can write these keywords here, right? What is it that you want to search with the exact phrase. कई बार क्या होता है, कुछ techniques जैसे there was this one student who met me today and he wanted to work on deep space navigation, right? So deep space navigation, तीनों चीज़ें इकट्ठी ही आएंगी, और जैसे ही मैं तीनों चीज़ें इकट्ठी डालती हूँ मेरा काफ़ी नॉइज़ कम हो जाता है. अदरवाइज़ क्या होगा, जहाँ जहाँ पे डीप स्पेस लिखा होगा वो सारी एंट्रीज भी साइट हो रही हैं, जहाँ जहाँ नेविगेशन लिखा है वो एंट्रीज भी साइट हो रही हैं. सो आई कैन राइट दोज एग्जैक्ट फ्रेजेस हियर with at least one of the words. This is where your techniques, your comparisons and all of those things come into picture. Without the words में if you have to skip something कि जिसमें लग रहा है बहुत repetitive हो रहा है, because this will filter down all of the noise, this will eliminate a lot of noise, and that will allow you to focus on that which is important. Then anywhere, ये भी अच्छा filter होता है कि where my words occur anywhere in the title or title of the article. This is also important to find. And last is results dated, articles dated between. So please make sure that you put a timeline over here, और timeline को custom कर देना, right? Such kind of advanced filters are available in all websites and other websites also. You'll have to learn how to do it. So you'll be filtering, you'll be using some advanced filters, and ideally I would say that you should spend 1 to 2 days to basically search and explore internet. Search and explore internet with regards to your topic, because the more clarity that you have, अभी हम इस स्पेक्ट्रम में यहाँ हैं तो यहाँ क्लैरिटी की ज़रूरत है, और यहाँ पे इसको फिल्टर डाउन करने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. अदरवाइज विल बी लॉस्ट. दिस इज़ अ वेरी ब्रॉड पूल बाय इटसेल्फ. इसमें ना कभी यहाँ कभी यहाँ कभी यहाँ कभी यहाँ, अंत में ना खुद ही गुम हो जाओगे. तो खुद गुम मत होना. फाइंड आउट दैट विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड डाउनलोड इट. इनिशियली बहुत बार ऐसे हो सकता है कि तुम सिर्फ रेफरेंस डाउनलोड करो, but then again using DOI number you can then download it, और डाउनलोड करने के बाद रीडिंग स्फीयर में जाओगे. So this becomes an important milestone before you start reading. Also, there would be a separate video after this. Possibly you'll have the video of how to set up Mendeley and how to run Mendeley in your system or in MS Word. That is a very important video, and I would request you, with both of my hands folded in front of me, I would request you humbly to set it up in your systems. All of you, set it up in your systems, understand why it is important, and then use it to strengthen your arguments and claims, right? Thank you very much. Lots of power to you and lots of energy to you, so that you are able to break down those new boundaries and create a new self. Thank you. Have a great day.